Even if you don't smoke, you can't deny the magic of flicking open a Zippo. It smells like a muscle car. I mean, it's basically a muscle car for your pocket. Now, I'll be honest, I don't smoke right now. And for day-to-day stuff, I'll grab a Bic. But there's nothing like flicking open, sparking, and slamming shut a Zippo. It's like comparing a muscle car to an electric car. Sure, they both get the job done, but one just fills you with that unimaginable joy, like you're actually doing something, like you're grabbing onto life by the balls and you're saying, yes, give me fire, I am man. Today we're diving into the story behind the timeless piece of engineering, from its rugged beginnings to how it became a cultural icon. Trust me, there's a lot more to a Zippo than just flick of a flame.
History of the Zippo Lighter Act 1. The spark of an idea. In the early 1930s, in the small town of Bradford, Pennsylvania, a man named George G. Blaisdell observed something that would forever change his life and the world of everyday tools. A friend was fumbling with a bulky, Austrian-made lighter, trying to light it against the wind. It worked, but it was awkward, unreliable, and far from user-friendly. Blaisdell, a sharp entrepreneur with a knack for recognizing opportunity, knew there had to be a better way. Inspired by the simplicity of the Austrian design, he envisioned a lighter that was compact, stylish, and, most importantly, windproof. In 1932, Blaisdell founded the Zippo Manufacturing Company, naming it after the word zipper, which he thought sounded modern and innovative. By early 1933, he had created the first Zippo lighter. With its hinged lid, sturdy rectangular case, and windproof chimney, it was a masterpiece of practicality and style. But Blaisdell didn't stop there. He gave each lighter a lifetime guarantee, boldly declaring, "It works, or we fix it free." The Zippo was more than a tool. It was a promise. Act 2, World War II, and lighting the world. As the Zippo lighter entered the market, it quickly found a place in the pockets of Americans. But it was during World War II that the Zippo truly ignited its legacy. When the United States entered the war, Blaisdell made a bold decision. He halted all consumer sales and dedicated production entirely to the U.S. military. Soldiers valued the Zippo for its windproof reliability, and its durable design became a symbol of resilience on the battlefield. The Zippo wasn't just a tool, it was a lifeline. Soldiers used it to light campfires, sterilize medical tools, and even signal their positions in dire moments. War correspondent Ernie Pyle famously called it the most important element on the front. When American soldiers returned home after the war, they brought their Zippos with them, introducing the lighter to a wider audience. The Zippo became a cultural phenomenon, a must-have accessory for everyone, from factory workers to Hollywood stars. Act 3. The Eternal Flame's Legacy. By the mid-20th century, the Zippo lighter was more than a functional tool. It was a cultural icon. Known for its reliability, style, and that unforgettable click, the lighter became a symbol of freedom, adventure, and innovation. As Zippo's popularity soared, so did its collectability. Thousands of designs were produced over the decades, from military insignias to pop culture tributes. In fact, Zippo enthusiasts now form a global community, trading and showcasing their lighters like treasured artifacts. In 2005, Zippo introduced their first butane lighter, the Zippo Bialu, showcasing their ability to evolve with the times. And in 2018, the sound of the Zippo's signature click was officially trademarked, cementing its place in history. But no matter how much it evolves, one thing remains the same: Zippo's lifetime guarantee. Over 600 million lighters have been produced to date, each one a testament to George Blaisdell's original promise: it works, or we fix it free. Today, the Zippo lighter continues to inspire generations. From the battlefield to the silver screen, it's more than just a tool. It's a symbol of resilience, ingenuity, and the belief that even the smallest spark can light the way.
And that's the story of the Zippo lighter, a small but mighty invention that's been sparking inspiration for over 90 years. From its humble beginnings from Bradford, Pennsylvania, to becoming a symbol of resilience on battlefield and in pop culture, the Zippo truly stands the test of time. This little tool is more than just a lighter. It's a promise, a piece of history, and for many a keepsake filled with memories. My favorite thing about the Zippo? The unmistakable. What about you? Do you have a favorite Zippo memory or design? How many Zippos do you have? I'd love to hear your stories, so drop them in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it on your platform, and subscribe to more incredible stories about inventions that shaped our world. Remember, even a small spark can light the way.